Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited has opened its latest bond offering for the public. The offer seeks to raise a minimum of 2.25 billion Jamaican dollars to a maximum of 3.375 billion Jamaican dollars. The invitation to applicants to apply to purchase the secured bonds will open 9 a.m. on May 10, 2024 and will close at 4:30 p.m. on June 7, 2024, subject to the right of the company to A, close the invitation at any time after 9 a.m. on May 10, 2024. The minimum investment is 20,000 Jamaican dollars and further increments of no less than 10,000 Jamaican dollars. The Mayberry secured bond will pay interest of between 9.25% and 10.5% every 90 days, starting June 30, 2024. During trading on May 3, 2024, the following companies valued at 500 million Jamaican dollars or more in assets represent the overall volume leaders on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited, with 837,274 units, amounted to 17.98% of the market volume. Carreras Limited, with 662,564 units, amounting to 14.23% of the market volume. Wigton Wind Farm Limited, ordinary shares with 642,927 units, amounted to 13% of the market volume. During trading on May 3, 2024 on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the following companies represent the overall volume leaders on the junior stock market, with companies valued at 50 million Jamaican dollars or more in asset value. Dollar Financial Services Limited, with 686,474 units, amounted to 24.91% of the market volume. Everything Fresh Limited, with 522,652 units, amounted to 18.97% of the market value. Express Catering Limited, with 211,271 units, amounting to 7.67% of the market volume. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on May 3, 2024, registered a volume of 281,536 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at 2,789,999 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 5 cents. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 87,363 shares, changing hands for a value of $372,297.75 Trinidad and Tobago dollars, followed by First Caribbean International Bank Limited with a volume of 73,250 shares being traded for $507,301 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 50 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On May 3, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $51.27 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $47.8 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157.62 and bought the US dollar for $155.89. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.73, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $6.66 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $116.78 and bought for $110.12. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $6.32, selling it for $197.65 and buying it for $191.33. For our credit report tip of the day, we encourage you to understand your credit report. Your credit report is a comprehensive record of your credit history, including credit accounts, payment history, and inquiries. As a first-time home buyer, understanding this document is essential. It provides insight to your financial behavior and helps lenders assess your credit worthiness for a mortgage. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.